What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie JKU, and I got something pretty cool going on today. Had a little package dropped off, and yeah, so I'm sure you can guess what it is. I'm replacing my current stock normal hardtop with something new from Turn Offroad, so hang out and let's see how it goes. You can see this is, oh man, it's freaking beautiful. Tinted windows already. A little Turn Offroad sign. Look how well this is packaged. Carpeted inside. I didn't know it was gonna be carpeted. This is my existing one. And you can see it is not carpeted. It's kind of dirty. Should I add the checkers back on the top? What do you think? So yeah, so I need to get to this. I got it all taken apart. So it's real easy. All you got to do is unscrew the wood that has the screws. If it has nails, just leave it. And yeah, I laid it flat. So now I'm going to pull the Jeep out, put this on, and then I'll worry about the other stuff. But I tell you, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Even the packing is kind of cool. I don't know, maybe I'll turn that into a planter or something, put it in the back. I don't know, it's kind of sweet. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put on my clips just to make sure that the top was sitting flush the way it's supposed to be. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty pumped. I'm excited. So now I'm gonna pull out and do the top. Alright, this is the Freedom panel, and yeah, they're making one that's actually clear. But this one's full right now. It's very nice. Very nice, very nice. So I need to put these clips on, and I'll be ready to throw this on. Alright, now I gotta change out these hooks. Alright, so it's in, and now I just clip here, clip there. Let's click it down and see. Yes! Alright guys, hardtop is on, and I'm loving it. Check this out. Look at the inside. Look how clean it is. I'm loving the carpet. Hopefully it doesn't get hit with dog hair. I need to tighten up this just a little bit. But yeah guys, it looks freaking awesome. I love it. Very clean. Freaking pumped. So yeah, so that's it. So check it out. Turn Offroad. It's the Fastback Hardtop, and this is my old top. I don't know if I'll checker the new one or not, but man, it looks so freaking good. So appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, later.